Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can duplicate a photo, a file, or a folder in Files app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, or in the app library, open up the Files app. Next, tap on the Browse button at the bottom. At the top here in Locations, open up the drive that you have that has the photos or the files that you want to duplicate. I'm going to go into the IT Jungles folder. In here, to duplicate a folder, you can touch and hold. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Duplicate, and that will create a new folder with a number extension after the name of the folder. If you want to duplicate a photo or an image, simply just touch and hold on that and then tap on Duplicate. It will create a new image with another name, so you can see here following the naming conventions. It will be the same name with an extra digit at the back, and every time you create a duplicate, it will increase and it will increment the number by 1. And that's it. So that is how you can duplicate a photo or an image. To duplicate other file type, it will be the same. You just have to touch and hold and then tap on a duplicate file, duplicate item, and it will duplicate the file. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.